Hello sweethearts, and welcome to another video. Today I am doing a video with my leftovers from Easter. What I have left over is macaroni and cheese, steak, smoked turkey leg, and kale. So I'm going to enjoy this with you guys. And I hope you guys are eating leftovers as well. Okay? We're going to eat a little bit, make it a mess, and then we'll talk. I really hope that my smacking noise do not sound so intolerable, because it's not me smacking, it's the mic. So if it's a little bit too loud for you, please turn it down or put your headphones on. Okay? Thank you. Who like kale? I've become addicted to kale in the place of my collard greens, because I used to love collard greens. But since I started making kale like this with the turkey, smoked turkey, comes out really, really good. I'm not going to overstuff myself. For breakfast I had Frosted Flakes cereal. And I'm having this for my dinner. I only got a little bit of steak because I'm going to eat that smoked turkey leg. I took the steak, seasoned it up very well, chop up some onions, put a little water in the pan, and make sure you always cover your pan, always. So I always cover it with aluminum foil. When you cook in the oven and you're cooking a meat, always cover your pan. It makes it very, very tender, because the steam goes back into the meat and it breaks down the meat to make it very, very tender. That's a little trick for you. I don't know if everyone does that, but I know I do. It doesn't matter what I cook. It could be a big roast. It always comes out tender. Always. Always. I have a girlfriend, a friend of mine. She made a roast one day, and she bought me a piece of it, and it was so tender. Excuse me. It was so tough, but I taught her how to do it tender, because she was one that never covered her meat in the oven. And I told her, you have to cover your meat in order to get it tender. Steam makes it tender back into the meat. cooks right back into the meat. So then one day, I came to her house, showed her what to do, and we sat there and we ate. I showed her how tender it really comes out. And she loved it. Loved it. Even the next day, it's still delicious. And I made my macaroni cheese a little different to yesterday. I always put on velveted cheese, mild cheese, sharp cheese, and I always put that into my macaroni and cheese. So yesterday I did not have no Velveeta. So what I did was, I had mild, I had sharp. Then I had a little bag of taco cheese. So I put that in there. And then I took a spoon, teaspoons full of sour cream. And I put that in there. And it came out very, very good. Very creamy. Very, very creamy. So now, if I don't have the Velveeta cheese, I'll use the sour cream. Yep. I changed my picture on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you guys what I changed it from. And then what I changed it to. Okay? A friend of mine that's into marketing, she said you should always have your picture on your branding, because later on you don't have to go back and change these things if you intend on taking your business farther. It's a good thing to have your picture. So that's what I did. I changed it from my beautiful flower to my beautiful face. If you don't think you're beautiful, no one else will. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. I was looking at the television the other day, yesterday rather, and this morning. And it's getting to be so depressing. So depressing. It said, globally, we have over 1,800,000 cases of corona globally. That means worldwide. Worldwide deaths, over 100,000. I think it said 100,016 deaths worldwide. In the United States, we have over 500,000 cases of corona noted. And I think they said we have, I want to say 54,000 deaths. I think that's what it said. You know what? I'm going to share that with you 1 minute. How you like my glasses? I got something right here. No. The deaths for United States, 22,000. That's a lot, guys. That is a lot. 22,000 people died in the United States from corona. I'm just making a mess. 22,000. But what's making me a little scared is this question right here. If we have over 116,000 people that died globally, and in the United States, we have 22,000 people that died. And they're taking these bodies and put them wherever they can put them, because there's so many dying on a daily basis. And the families can't come and claim them. And they can't be properly embalmed. Question to you. Do you think that we can still catch the corona from a deceased body? A little scary. How long does it take for a deceased body to get rid of the coronavirus? That's a question. How long does it last in the body? Does it die right away? I don't think so. So, how long does it last? Or does it stay in the body until it's cremated? That's another question. Scary. I'm sitting there watching television and I'm saying to myself, the people that's handling these deceased bodies, aren't they in jeopardy as well of catching the corona? There's so many questions that need to be answered. And that's one of them as well. You put these bodies to the side and wherever you can put them. Some of these hospitals is finding empty rooms to put these deceased bodies in. Empty rooms. Make no sense. People are dying at an alarming rate. 700 in one day, 600 in one day. This is what New York has going on. That's a lot in one day. That's a lot. It's a lot. Scary. I'm not going to keep you long, guys, because I don't want to keep talking about this because it just makes me afraid and make me more scared. I'm telling you, I'm doing all I can to keep myself safe, and I hope that you're doing all you can to keep yourself safe. And I hope that your family is doing all they can to keep themselves safe. This is not a playing matter we got going on here, guys. It's not. It's not. Please be safe and protect yourself. No one's going to protect you like you. Someone may give you something and you don't even know you have it. They don't even know they have it. That's the sad thing about it. They don't even know they have it. They're walking around here normal, talking and everything, but they don't even know they have it. Talking right in your face. You don't even know they have it. They don't even know they have it. A couple of days later, you sick. Not everybody died from this, but there's a lot are dying from it. So protect yourself. I'm going to leave you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone, all your friends and family. Hit the notification button so you'll be notified for any upcoming videos. I love you. Be safe and stay positive. Mwah, mwah, mwah.